I have here a shoe rack. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can see everything that it comes with. You can see it's got a lot of parts in here. There's lots of holes. So you can see I got everything taken out of the box. There's also some instructions that tells you how many of each piece. There are a lot of pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the basics of the installation and how this is going to assemble, and then we will see what it looks like when it's done. So you can see this is fairly straightforward to assemble. You're going to have one of these black pieces, shove the posts in, 4 of them, these are the longer posts, then onto the other side, and then you're just going to repeat, take a post, push it in, 3 more, and then take one of these and push it on that other side. So you can see on these there's holes on both sides. You're going to be doing 3 sections, and then you're going to be doing a couple other different sections, and it is super tall. And you can see here in the instructions, you're going to just be doing this. It's super easy. It's just a matter of putting all the pieces together. So one of the biggest differences between this style and some of the other ones on the market is how you can just push one into that side and one into this side, and it just connects to both sides of the plastic piece. So it was really quick assembly. You can see this is the way I have it configured right now. Be aware that the instructions show a few other options as to how you can configure this. You don't have to do it like this. So it's really nice that you can change it to the way that you want. So this is the way I did it right now. These are the other options that you have. You can do 2 separate styles with different amounts for each one if you would like to. So here you can see I grabbed out a handful of shoes. There is lots of space here. You got lots of different options for how you can do your shoes. You've got taller spots, shorter spots. So this is going to be very versatile and hold a lot of different shoes. So this shoe rack is really nice. It has got lots of space. You can see just how tall it is. Lots and lots of different shelves. You've got different sizes, so it's going to handle a whole bunch of different kinds of shoes. So I'd recommend this to anybody that has a lot of shoes and wants to have a really nice, easy, convenient way to store them and keep them nice and tidy.